Hello, it's your host Shiboni Pais welcoming you all to another episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, news headlines from abroad. Konkani Catholic Sangathan organizes Kulkulo to mark Easter celebrations in Israel. Mangalorean Catholic Association MCA, Doha, Qatar inaugurated. Dayan Baidappa bags prestigious H.H. Sheikh Mukutam Award. News headlines from Mangalore and around. Rachana Awards presented to achievers at a gala ceremony. Graduation and College Day of St. Joseph's Engineering College, Wamanjur held. Feast of Divine Mercy celebrated with devotion in Mangalore. Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy organizes Konkani Bible. And in our entertainment bash, we have Bangla group performing at Konkani Nirantari.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
News in detail. The Konkani Catholic Sangathan Israel organized Kulkulo, a cultural program to mark Easter celebration at Tel Aviv Bet Barber Cultural Hall Hagana here on Saturday, March 28th. Konkani Catholic Sangathan Israel organized Kulkulo, a cultural program to mark Easter celebration at Tel Aviv Bet Barber Cultural Hall Hagana here on Saturday, March 28th. Konkani Beats, an Israel trophy, organized a musical evening and a skit by Wilson D'Souza Kulshekar and Wilfie Mascarenas and group. Indian origin Jews performed a dance on the occasion. Tel Aviv's Manhunt 2008 modeling contest was organized in which 10 models from 6 different countries of Asia participated. Among them, Sachin Fernandez bagged the first place. Father Anil D'Souza, director of ICYM Mangalore Diocese, who had arrived from Mangalore, was given a memento. Prizes were distributed to the winners of the games, which were organized by KCS. Father Anil D'Souza was the chief guest on the occasion and Father Jayashilan, assistant parish priest. Jaffa Israel presided over the function. Jyoti Lasrado and Vinay Beltangadi compared the program. KCS President Stephen DeMello welcomed the gathering and Roshan Montero proposed the vote of thanks. That is indeed great initiative by KCS to hold Konkani cultural programs in distant Israel. Elsewhere, Mangaloreans residing in Doha now have plenty reasons to rejoice. It was only a fortnight ago that they were blessed to have First Catholic Church. Now they have another reason to be proud of. Like-minded people residing in Doha have come together and formed Mangalorean Catholic Association MCA, Doha, Qatar. Mangalorean Catholic Association, Doha, Qatar was officially inaugurated on Thursday, 27th March 2008. The evening began with the Holy Mass offered by Father Paul Pinto, parish priest of Fijir Church, who is on a short visit to Qatar. The second part of the evening was the official inauguration of the association, which started with the prayer recited by Father Paul Pinto, who craved God's blessing on the association and especially on the executive committee members. The executive committee members were introduced to the assembled gathering and the advisory committee members were greeted with flowers by tiny children. Henry Michael D'Souza, a prominent businessman, together with Father Paul Pinto, Jerry Pinto, Felix Lobo, Walter Sarau, Joe D'Souza, Wilfred Fernandez, Donnie Lobo and Henry Lobo formally lit the traditional lamp and officially inaugurated the association. The logo and the email ID of MCA were inaugurated by Stephanie Lobo. Henry Lobo, newly elected president of the association, welcomed the gathering. A brief report about MCA was read by the General Secretary Benjamin Ribeiro. Father Paul Pinto, who was the guest of honor for the evening, conveyed his good wishes to all the members and urged the members to work with unity to achieve their goal. The function ended with a vote of thanks by Wilson Mendonza, Vice President of the association. Cyril Sequeira anchored the whole program. All the best to the MCA office bearers and the members in their future endeavors. A few days ago, TV Daijiworld had announced the news of Neeta Shetty bagging the prestigious H.H. Sheikh Makatam Award. Now, another Mangalorean, Dayanand Bidappa, has been awarded the prestigious H.H. Sheikh Makatam bin Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum Cambridge Award for outstanding academic achievement in the University of Cambridge International AS level examinations. Dayan Sean Bidappa was awarded the prestigious H.H. Sheikh Makatam bin Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum Cambridge Award for outstanding academic achievement in the University of Cambridge International AS level examinations recently. He is the son of Mariza Lobo and Ajit Bidappa, Dubai, UAE, and grandson of late Lalu Lobo and SP Lobo, Mangalore, and Kongada Dotti and late G. Bidappa Coorg. His unassuming but inherently confident personality has made him very popular with his peers and teachers, culminating in his being elected as the current head boy of Dubai Gem Private School. Dayan is an avid lover of reading, and this has helped him win prizes in quizzes and story writing competitions. He is also a black belt in karate and enjoys playing tennis. That was all news we had for you from abroad. We still have news from Mangalore and a lot of entertainment in store for you. But after this short and sweet commercial break.
Apurva for AppLab.
बहरेनात आणि मस्कताक जाय पडल्यात. हाऊस नर्स, हाऊस ड्रायव्हर, हाऊस टीचर्स, हाऊस गार्डनर, ब्युटिशियन, बेबी सिटर्स, सेल्स गर्ल्स, हाऊस मेड्स, अरेबिक कुक आणि हाऊस बॉयज मुंबईत रावची. गांवांतावन मुंबई इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाक पावोवची वेवस्था, इमिग्रेशन, तिकेट आणि मेडिकल सगळे सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर करता. फोटो सांगता अर्जी धाडूंक विळास सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1302, मंगलोर 575006. सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर आता 23व्या वर्सांत.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.
Welcome back after the break. Rachana, a forum of Catholic entrepreneurs, presented its annual awards to 4 distinguished personalities: James Mendonça, Dubai; Francis D'Souza, Beltangdi; Dr. Edward Nazareth and Ivan Castellino, Mumbai, at a gala function held at Milagros Hall on Sunday, March 30th evening. Today's society is respecting wealth because of lack of value base. Therefore, one feels that if he acquires wealth, society will respect him. Hence, the society should distinguish between legitimacy and illegitimacy between wealth, said Justice N. Santosh Hegde, Lokayukta of Karnataka.
It is only when you recognize something that is done well, done good to the society, then alone people get the enthusiasm to work hard and be similar persons as the performers who are sitting with us today. Therefore, there should be more and more such recognitions, but certainly I hasten to say recognition in a manner Rachana is done by certain independent juries, and not in the manner that we see how certain state and national awards are being given.
Speaking after presenting Rachana Awards at Milagros Jubilee Hall on Sunday, March 30th evening, he said that the office bearers of Rachana should help in curbing corruption by neither giving nor taking bribe. Lokayukta will definitely help in this regard, he assured. Please be happy with what you have. You can be happy with Rs 35,000 salary per month and unhappy with Rs 75,000 per month. If we continue the same corrupt system, where will we go? He questioned. He presented Rachana Awards to Francis D'Souza, Beltangdi, agriculturist; Ivan Castellino, Mumbai, entrepreneur; Dr. Edward Nazareth, professional; and James Mendonça, NRI entrepreneur. Bishop Aloysius Paul D'Souza presided over the function. Lancy Dicunna, President of Catholic Sabha, was present on the dais. Marcel Montero welcomed the gathering. Titus Norona highlighted on Rachana's efforts in honoring distinguished personalities for their contribution in those chosen sphere. Ronald Gomes proposed vote of thanks. Leslie Rego and Melita Pinto compared the program. Awards are not only recognition of one's achievements but also a reminder to carry on the good work. It also increases responsibility of the awardee towards the society. Hope all our Rachana awardees will contribute in many more ways to our society. St. Joseph's Engineering College is the only engineering college run by Mangalore Diocese. Within a short time, it has scaled greater heights. The graduation and college day of the college was held on Saturday, March 29th evening in the college campus. We have an exclusive report on this. Pramod N. Fernandez, Director HR Domestic Business, India South Asia IBN Private Limited, was the chief guest who addressed the gathering at the graduation ceremony and college day celebration of city's St. Joseph Engineering College held at the college grounds on Saturday, March 29, 2008. Delivering the keynote graduation address, he declared, "Careers cannot be made. One has to achieve it today. Campus to corporate transition is going on. MNC will be run as a growth-oriented company. They do not do the charity," he cautioned.
In the college environment, you pay to learn, whereas in the corporate, we pay you to learn. That's a major thing. It's not only you're paid to learn, but you're paid to contribute also. I think this important factor you should always keep in mind, that none of the corporates, they pay you just like that. I think you should also remember that none of the corporates are running for charity. They are there in the business, and no longer making profits is treated as a sin. And all the corporations exist to make money, to establish themselves, and to grow, and also to contribute to the society. So they naturally pay you so that you will learn, you will contribute, and you will help the company to grow.
Albert A. Shrestha, Deputy Director, Middle East Operations, General Electric International INC, Dubai, was the chief guest of honor. Shrestha presented mementos to the guests. Staff and students of the institution were present on the occasion. College choir invoked God's blessings on the program, while the gathering was welcomed by Director Father Valerian D'Souza. Annual report was presented by the Principal Dr. Joseph Gonsalves. Certificates were distributed to the graduates by Pramod N. Fernandes, while the Dean of Academics, Professor Jayakar Hegde, administered the oath. Alumni newsletter was released by the Chief Guest, Pramod Fernandes. Earlier, the presidential address was delivered by Bishop Aloysius Paul D'Souza, who also presented awards to the gold medalist. Rio D'Souza proposed the vote of thanks. Devotion to the Divine Mercy, which is highly attributed to Blessed Faustina, has spread to the length and breadth of Mangalore Diocese in the last few years. The Feast of Divine Mercy, which is celebrated a week after Easter, was celebrated with devotion in Mangalore on March 30th. Special masses were celebrated at Fatima Retreat Center and at Carmel Hill, which were attended by a large number of devotees.
बलिदान है भेटों जमल्या पवित्रुच्या नावानायल्या बलिदान है भेटों जमल्या याजकानी देवपरजा उपकाराचोन अर्गां दिता याजकानी देवपरजा बैसां घाल आमचेर मोगाळ बापा जियेवच्याक आमी शांतीन तुज्या बैसां घाल आमचेर मोगाळ बापा जियेवच्याक आमी शांतीन तुज्या पवित्रुच्या
ह्याच्या वांजेलांत आमी पळयता पुनर्जीवन जेजू दारांत थांबुल्लीं तरी ताचे आपोस्तल आसल्या त्या कुडांत भितर सरता आनी थंयसर उबो रावन तांकां म्हणटा शांती तुमकां. तांचेर आपल्या जिवाचो स्वास फुंकून म्हणटा शांती तुमकां. व्हडा संतोशान भरले ते आपोस्तल म्हणटा पळयत पुस्तक. शांती मेळ्ळी तांकां, समाधान मेळ्ळी. म्हाका आज दैवी काकुतीचें फेस्त आमी आचरशीता. वय त्याच समया जेजू थंय म्हाका देवाची दैवीक काकूत आमकां उक्ती जाता, मात न्ही त्या दैवीक काकुती शांती मेळटा, समाधान मेळटा. आमच्या जिवितांत विविध रितींनी शांती समाधान नस जाता तें खरें. पिडे शिडे वरवीं, अनवरां वरवीं, नश्टां वरवीं, रिणां वरवीं, देंवसराच्या सैतानाच्या बांदपासा वरवीं आनी जिवितांत आमकां आसच्या दुस्मनाच्या द्वारे ह्या विविध रितींनी जावंक पुरो. पूण दैवीक काकूत आमच्या जिवितांत वळोन येता आसतना म्हाकाच्या भावानी भयणीनो आमकां शांती मेळटा. आमचें जिवीत सासणाक बदलता. दुबावी तोमास भावार्थान भरता, मात न्ही कितलेशे हजार किलोमिटर पयसकर, कितलेशे हजारो मैलां पयसकर भारताक येवन हांगासर तो माटतेर मरता. भारताचो आपोस्तल जाता.
Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy, under the robust leadership of Eric Rosario, has rendered great service to the society in the last 3 years. The term of the present committee has come to an end on March 31st. Accordingly, the Academy held its last program Konkani Vaibhav, during which popular Konkani writers Dr. Gerald Pinto, Stella DeCosta and H.J. Govis were felicitated. Konkani Vaibhav was organized by Karnataka Konkani Sahitya Academy to evaluate the endeavors and achievements of the Academy in the last 3 years. On the occasion, a book award presentation and book release function was held at St. Aloysius College, IT Block Auditorium on Saturday, March 29th evening. Speaking on the occasion, I am Vittal Murthy, Secretary for Kannada and Cultural Department, informed that the name of the academy will be changed to Konkani Academy so that all the other fields such as culture, music could be brought under a single roof. Professor B.K. Chandrasekhar, Chairman of Legislative Council, was the chief guest on the occasion, who later felicitated Dr. Gerald Pinto, H.J. Govis and Stella DeCosta with Books Awards. A total of 10 books were released on the occasion. Receiving the award, Dr. Gerald Pinto opined that the last 3 years were golden era of Konkani literature. Any committee which heads the Konkani Academy in the coming years will have to work under pressure. If other academies work like Konkani Academy, development of other local languages will also be possible, he added. Eric Ozario, chairman of the academy, presided over the function. Dr. Edward Nazareth, president of the Karnataka Konkani Writers Association, academy members Victor Matthias and Kudlu Anand Shanbag were present on the dais. Academy member and noted journalist Gabriel Vas welcomed the gathering. Academy Registrar S.H. Shivarudrappa proposed the vote of thanks. Vincent Alva compared the program. Various cultural programs were held after the stage program. That was detailed local news. We still have entertainment program for you in Akati, but only after this break.
ಏನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ, ಅತ್ಯಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳು. ನಗರದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಿಂಗಿತವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ಗುತ್ತು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 2492417.
ಜಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ದೋಷ ಈ ದೋಷ, ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮೇಲೇಳುವ ಮೊದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಹೊಸ ಮನೆಯ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಪ್ಪ ರಾಮಪ್ಪ, ಅಣ್ಣವರ ಸರ್ವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ನೀಡಪ್ಪ, ಬಾರ್ಲಾ.
ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಇರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳ ಖರೀದಿ, ಬಾಡಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ಸದಾ ಸಿದ್ಧ.
For anything and everything in real estate, property, real estate and developers, Mangalore.